This is really good money if it's actually worth what they say it is. So the supplier said it's a $334 item. Kind of a random number, but wow. Bam! 300 bucks on eBay. $300 item. What's going on, guys? Dan Cal here from Liquidation Pros, and I'm excited to open another $80 Amazon Returns mystery box. This is from a pallet that I bought. The pallet itself cost about $1,000, and this box itself cost me about $80. So I did have to buy an entire pallet to get this inventory, but that is why I got it for so cheap. So we've been finding some really good items. The last video I did, I pulled out a $200 boat grill. So pretty cool item, brand new. Should make a bunch of money off of that. And if you've never seen my channel before, the way it works is I go through, figure out what's in here, and I give an estimated resale value. So what I think I could sell these items for. I do have an eBay store where I sell the majority of this stuff. So this box may go pretty quick because this does happen from time to time where you do get a lot of the same item. So these black Sheffield ammo cases, there's 4 of them right on the top, actually 5 of them. They're taking up almost half of this box. Unfortunately, they retail for 16 bucks. I only get about $5 a piece for them, so not a very profitable item there, but they only cost me about $1.50, so not too bad. So here's another one, and then there's a couple orange ones. You know, this box itself actually may go pretty fast, which means I can go ahead and on this video, maybe we'll do 2 boxes. So let's do that. The total for both of these boxes we're looking at is going to be, so now we're negative $160. And so far I pulled out $30 worth of ammo cases. This is like a belt mount for some sort of, it says Fox Outdoor Pocket Cartridge. So it's for, you know, putting your clips in, your gun or your airsoft gun. I have no idea. Some of this stuff, I don't know what it is. It says military belt and the retail value is 25 bucks, maybe like a $10 item. Some of this stuff I will just be providing estimates. This is for the end of a weight bar. These are like 5 bucks. Cool little car here. It's probably something I might keep and give to my son. I'm guessing it's just a couple bucks. Most people that buy these, if they're collectors, they want the packaging in good shape. If someone's just going to buy it to play with it, it's a couple bucks. So that might be put to the side to keep. I don't keep a lot of stuff, but from time to time in this business, it is nice because you can pay yourself sometimes with some items. So this here is a cold steel knife. This brand is pretty good. Oh wow, it's a pretty nice looking knife here. Man, that's a big knife. This is called the Raja 3. So check that thing out. Pretty sharp too. I don't know exactly what this goes for. Let's look it up real quick. So this one, the label was covered up in the bag, but fortunately, since I took it out of the bag, I'll be able to scan it. So a scanner here, we'll scan it right into eBay, and we'll look at what the average selling price is. This knife, on average, sells for $60, so that's pretty awesome. That's a really good item there. It looked to be in new condition, so I'll take that. So that helps. I mean, that one item almost pays for this whole box. So this is like an ATV hitch. You can put on a lawnmower or ATV or a 4x4. I've sold one of these on Marketplace already for 20 bucks. I'll put that to the side. Pretty good item there. These scopes I've also sold before. It's like a scope mount you put on a rifle. These I get around $30 for. Tally, it's a really good brand, this Tally brand, if you can ever get that. If you can ever see that in bulk, go ahead and I would say buy it. This is cool. It's like a grip mat you would put on your your tool bench, so for mechanics and stuff. That way your screws and stuff can be separated. I'm guessing this is just gonna be a few bucks, but let me just double check because I have not ever had one. The retail on it, wow, the retail was $55. Now, my guess is it doesn't sell for that much on eBay. I'm guessing it's a $55 item. It's probably gonna be closer to like 30. So let's look. Wow, I'm surprised. Average selling price, $43. It's pretty lightweight, it'll be easy to ship. So that right there, that and the knife so far have been my home runs. Now I'm definitely in the profit at this point. Well, at least on this one box. If I count the fact that I need to get up over 160, maybe not. Be close to it. 07544. So I do have a list. When you buy liquidation, the best thing to do is buy manifested liquidation, which means you're provided a list that everything's included. So a lot like this, I did some preliminary research to decide if it was worth buying. And because I felt like the items were valuable enough, I went ahead and made the decision to spend the money on it. But I prefer never to buy unmanifested, which is just, it's in a pallet full of stuff. You have no idea what it is. It's, $500, $1,000. That's not the good way to go. This is just like a tactical bag or strap. It's retail value is $10, so it's probably only like a $5 item. This is a TYR youth bathing suit. So this is for like people that are big into swimming. This TYR brand, they make everything like swimming related, and this product sells really good. Typically these bathing suits go for like 20 to 30 bucks a piece. We'll just say 20 bucks. This box, we only have about 6 more items, so we're going pretty quick. This I've had before. They don't sell very fast, but it's if you want to replace your factory radio on this GM 2013, you need to have this wiring harness, I guess you could say. They retail for like 100, but I've only gotten around 80 bucks for it. Not too bad though. This is B&M Automotive or automatic shifter. So this is a shifter for your car. I have no idea the value of that, but I'm guessing it's pretty decent money. Car parts have been really good for me. I've been selling a lot of car stuff. So this is really good money if it's actually worth what they say it is. So the supplier said it's a $334 item. Kind of a random number, but wow. Bam! 300 bucks on eBay. $300 item. Something like this, especially when it's that valuable, I do like the look on camera just to kind of get an idea of, I can tell you it's a $300 item, but inside could be a brick. So is it really worth that much? No. I would rather just go take a quick peek and give you guys a better idea of if I think I'm going to get that much money for it, because I don't want to mislead people. But so far, so good. It's definitely been taken out, but it is still wrapped up. Like the shifter itself is still wrapped in tape. Like this little parts bag is still sealed up. It hasn't been opened yet. So I might have gotten lucky on this one. There's a bunch of parts in there we'll have to look at, but that's a $300 item. That is awesome. These batteries right here are like 100 bucks, which is crazy. I know you guys are gonna find that hard to believe, and that's still wrapped up good too. Wow. Open box battery 03362. I'm not gonna spend too much time on these because I do want to open that other box. This is $146 retail. I've sold one of these before for right around 100 bucks. So another great item. This box is turning out to be a lot better than I thought. Oracle lighting. This is like a replacement headlight. A lot of times these are for Jeeps. This Oracle brand is like specializes in Jeep parts. Once again, it's another brand I have sold before. They do sell pretty well. And the retail on this light, no way. They're saying that this light is $240. So that means I paid about 25 bucks for this one. Wow. They're selling for 155 bucks on eBay. So once again, another awesome item. $150 item right here. It has been opened. The box is all damaged and labeled up, as you can see. But we'll take a quick look just so you guys get an idea. Man, they look good. They still have the protective film on them. Maybe the customer ordered the wrong size, but these are LED lights for a Jeep, so they're like fog lights. 150 bucks. I don't know what to tell you, but this has been just a really good lot. And we still have one more big item. Oh, 2 more. These are 511 Tactical. They make like military style boots. So here they are. These boots, they retail for around 100, but I've been getting around 50 bucks. I sold one pair for I think 50. So, and there's actually 2 pairs of them. Boom. So that's another 100 bucks right there. And that's the end of that box there. That one's empty now. I'll move this out the way. And actually I'm going to use this to support the next box. So we're into this one for $160 for both boxes combined. And that's because I paid $1,000 for the entire pallet. It was actually slightly more than that, but to make it easy for math, decent in math, but to make it easy to remember as well. I think it ended up was like maybe like 1,100 or something, but the total per box was right around like 80 bucks. All right, now this one's a different story. That last one was pretty quick. This one, there's just a ton of like little stuff in it. So I'm gonna try to roll through this. These are like little painter pans, or it could be like an oil pan. I don't know, maybe like $5 a piece. There's 2 of them. Once again, I don't want to spend too much time. This is a boat shade. These actually sell for like, I think they retail for around 50. I would say maybe like $30 for that. Just a little car part, maybe like $5. These are really good. I was actually waiting to see if I get any more of these. I saw these as a 2-pack. They're for like a little fast loading 357 caliber for a Bulldog air rifle. So I guess for like a BB gun. But those I normally get, I do a 2-pack for $25. So that there is like a $12 item. But the problem is I have to wait for another one. Wow, that's a pretty heavy duty tool there. Let's see what that goes for. I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy this type of stuff. The kind of outdoor stuff, the tools, the car parts. It's been some really good stuff. Oh wow, this is $250. $250 tool. It has been used, and it does only sell. It sells on average for 110, so much lower than the retail. But it looks like it's all there. I'd have to do a little bit more research on it, but I would assume probably a $100 item. It's not bad. It's heavy, so maybe like a flat rate large mailer box or UPS ground probably for something like that. I prefer some of the smaller lightweight items so they can go first class. You throw them in a bubble mailer and you can get them shipped really fast. This is a hose for a fuel tank, just a couple bucks there. These I've had a bunch of. These are clamps for holding up a fire extinguisher. Once again, they're like $5 a piece. These lights have sold for me really well. I've sold a bunch of these headlights, and this is the H7. These go for about $30 for these replacement lights. This is a Simpson neck brace. I would say these are right around 30. These are cushions for buoy. And I normally get two pack of these for $30, so $15 there. Just need to wait to see if I have another one. This is a pressure sending unit, and the retail on this is $46 retail. So maybe like a $30 item. That's pretty decent actually. Kind of surprised. I'm trying to some of this cheaper stuff I'm just going to pull out. You know, a few bucks here and there. Different car part, another boat accessory, just a little cheap lamp. It's probably like $10 worth of stuff there. I want to kind of get to see if there's any other good stuff. There's a mouth guard. It's probably like $5. Some of this stuff is like cheaper flea market stuff. I just don't want this video to run on and on. Oh, I just had one of these in the last lot. What did I say this was worth? I already forgot. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's like a $40 part. Which is crazy to me because it seems like it's such a small, easy thing to make. Yeah, so $30 for that little wrench extender. That's awesome. These bolts can be really good. So if you're going to replace like your engine, you need to. Some people do heavier duty bolts, and this one, for instance, goes for. Let's see, this one here goes for $130. No way. I knew they could be up there, but I doubt they sell for that much on eBay. Wow, I'm wrong. $88 for this bolt set. That's insane. So that's an easy $80 there. Obviously, I have to look at it and make sure all the bolts are in there. Some cheap little part, not worth really anything. Let me just pull out some of the stuff that I don't think is really worth much. A compass. Some sort of suspension part, another compass, a little light. All this here is maybe like $10 for everything. I'm running out of room too. Normally I just do one box at a time, but that last one went really quick. This is a carburetor kit. I've never had one of these, so let's see what this is worth. At least I don't recall having one. I go through so much stuff, guys. It can be my memory isn't the best for every single item or what every item's worth. It's a $20 carburetor kit. Nothing too crazy. These latch kits, they sell for like 20 bucks. It's like to replace your luggage. Those I've sold before, so I definitely will sell that. This is a Sena headphone kit for motorcycles. We're looking at, these are pretty good brand. 70 bucks retail, so maybe like 50 bucks if it's all there. I'll have to look at it. These filters aren't worth much. They're like 10 bucks. Here's another Dodge Ram plate. If you guys have watched my videos, I've had these before. Surprisingly, they're like right around 20 bucks a piece. That one's still wrapped up nicely. This is a random Honda. This is a glove box replacement for a Honda car. Probably around 20 bucks. Something cheap, maybe just, this is like a grill for a radio, pretty cheap. Here we go, now we're getting into some better stuff. This is another one of those lithium batteries. These are $150 retail. I get around 100 for them. And this one here is, I wouldn't say it's brand new, but it looks really good condition. So probably open box item. I'm trying to see if there's any other really awesome stuff to. These bleeders, so it's like a pressure bleeder for your brakes. These sell for like 30 bucks. There's the Automotive brand. And probably like a $20 radio kit, just a cheap speaker. I'm trying to pull out the cheap stuff. All this stuff here is like flea market stuff. Most of the times it's just a couple bucks a piece. Dude, yeah, same thing. That's a pouch for airsoft gun. Here's just a little car part, a filter. That's a wrench. You know, all this here, maybe like 20 bucks. Running out of the room, guys. Trying to get through. We got about maybe like 5 or 6 more items. Some sort of wire brushes. Hopefully there's at least one more good item in here. These are 77 bucks. That's not bad. See what they actually sell for though. They're selling for 60 for a wire brush set. So you put that on like your drill to do some sanding. Another pair of TYR bathing suit, men's swimsuit. So like swimming shorts, they still have the tags, 30 bucks. Now here's another pair of 511 tactical boots. We already have 2 of those, so now we have 3. Hopefully they're all the same size, that would be nice. And that's about 50 bucks right there. Cheap item, another cheap item. That's just like a door handle kit for a screen door. And this is a mouth guard. So all this here is probably like another 10 bucks. And then the last item is some sort of R-Knot air suspension. So 18029 is the last full 5 digits. And $186. Come on, eBay. Tell me you're going to sell for over 100. Yes, $100 item. So we capped it off with another $100 item. The box is empty. I made a mess, but I hope you guys had fun going through all that stuff. I know obviously there was some stuff that just kind of the cheaper items that just really weren't worth a whole lot, but we did pull out some gems in this one. Just tons of good inventory. I don't even know where to begin, but I'll put the total on the screen of my estimated resale value after I tally this all up. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.